Question number 1. What is the biggest source of income for the central government in the Union Budget 2020 to 2021? Answer. Borrowings and other liabilities. Question number 2. What is the biggest source of income for the central government in the Union Budget 2020 to 2021? Answer. Borrowings and other liabilities. Question number 3. Which one of the following is a capital receipt in government budget? Answer. Interest receipts on loans given by the government to other parties. Question number 4. Equality in a country can be best brought through. Answer. Regressive expenditure. Question number 5. Fiscal deficit in the union budget is equal to. Answer. Net increase in internal and external borrowings. Question number 6. Fiscal Responsibility and Budget Management Act. Which of the following is not a component of revenue receipts of the union government? Answer. Disinvestment receipts. Question number 7. Consider the following statements regarding plan and non-plan expenditure. Answer. Both A and B. Question number 8. The central bank may economy to encourage investment in the. Answer. Reduce cash reserve ratio. Question number 9. Choose the change by the Reserve Bank of India (RBI) that will decrease the money supply. Answer. Rise in repo rate. Question number 10. Which change will Reserve Bank of India (RBI) undertake when there is recession or depression in the economy? Answer. Reduction in the bank rate. Question number 11. Which of the following is an objective of monetary policy? Answer. Economic growth. Question number 12. Changes in affect the credit creation by banks through altering the cost of credit. Answer. Bank rate. Question number 13. Which of the following is not concerned with banking organization? Answer. Fiscal deficit. Question number 14. The percentage of demand deposits which the commercial banks are legally required to maintain as their liquid assets is called. Answer. SLR. Question number 15. What is meant by open market operations? Answer. Purchase and sale of government securities by RBI. Question number 16. Consider the following statements about statutory liquidity ratio (SLR). Answer. Both A and B. Question number 17. Consider the following statements. Answer. Repo rate and reverse repo rate is an instrument of money market were introduced post-economic reforms of 1991. Question number 18. With reference to open market operations, OMO, consider the following statement. Answer. Both A and B. Question number 19. If a producer transfers the burden of a tax on his product directly to the customer in the form of higher prices is called. Answer. None of these. Question number 20. According to Peacock and Wiseman's analysis, public expenditure increases. Answer. In jerks or step-like fashion.